Let's read this question. It says the important terms are used in magnetism are magnetic field induction, magnetic flux density or magnetic field strength measured in Tesla, magnetic intensity or magnetizing force H vector measured in ampere per meter, intensity of magnetization I vector is measured in ampere per meter, and the magnetic moment is measured in ampere meter square. The magnetic permeability is measured in Tesla meter per ampere. Magnetic permeability of free space is measured in Tesla meter per ampere. Relative magnetic permeability mu r, it has no units. Magnetic susceptibility chi m has no units, and the Faraday colleague classified the magnetic substances into three categories. First, the diamagnetic substances like antimony, bismuth, copper, gold, silver, quartz, water, alcohol, mercury, air, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Paramagnetic substances like sodium, potassium, aluminum, chromium, platinum, magnesium, manganese, lithium, etc. And the ferromagnetic substances like iron, cobalt, and nickel. Now, they are saying that the ferromagnetic substances show all the properties of paramagnetic substances, but to a much greater degree. And the paramagnetic substances are those in which each individual atom molecules and has same net magnetic moment of its own. When such substances are placed in an external magnetizing field, they get feebly magnetized in the direction of the field. Diamagnetic substances are those in which individual atoms, molecules, ions do not possess any net magnetic moment of their own. When such substances are placed in an external magnetic field, they get feebly magnetized in the direction opposite to the magnetizing field. According to the Curie's law in magnetism, the intensity of magnetization I of a magnetic material is directly proportional to the magnetic field induction B and inversely proportional to the temperature T. So I is directly proportional to B and I is inversely proportional to the temperature of T. So they just combine it. So I is going directly proportional to B upon T as B is directly proportional to H. So I is directly proportional to H upon T, and we can say that I upon H is going to be inversely proportional to B T. Because I upon H is going to be the chi m, so we have just put it that value here, so it becomes chi m is going to be C upon T, where C is the constant of proportionality and is called as the Curie constant. Now for question number 38 to 46, two statements are given, one labeled as assertion and another labeled as reason. Select the correct answer of these questions from the codes A, B, C, and D as given below. The code A says both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Code B says both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Code C says the assertion is true, but the reason is false, and code D says assertion is false, but the reason is true. So let's read the assertion and reason. Magnetic flux density, magnetic field strength, and magnetic field induction represent the same thing, and the reason says these are the three names of the same quantity. Key concept. जो यहाँ पर की कॉन्सेप्ट हम यूज करने वाले हैं एक्चुअली वो क्या है, हमारा मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी आप कह लो या फिर मैग्नेटाइजिंग फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कह लो, और बेसिकली आप कह लो बी। तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जो ये मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी है फाइव क्या होता है, बी टाइम्स एरिया होता है। तो बी को क्या मैं ऐसे 5/a कह सकता हूँ, तो ये मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स अपॉन एरिया, ये मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी बन गई। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ नॉर्मली बी से हम जानते हैं। एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन क्या होता है कि जब हम किसी मटेरियल पे इंडक्शन अप्लाई करते हैं, जब उसमें क्या होता है इंड्यूस्ड होता है, तो उसमें कुछ फील्ड इंड्यूस्ड हो जाती है, तो उससे भी हम क्या कहते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन। तो बेसिकली ये तीनों जितनी भी चीजें हैं, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी, magnetic flux density, either magnetizing, either magnetic field strength, either magnetic field induction, they all are the same things, they just define the same thing, and they are actually the three names of a different thing of the same quantity. So here we can say that assertion is also true and reason is also true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the code A is the correct answer here. I hope you understand it. Best of luck. Thank you.